Hello vlog. I would just like to say that accidents do happen climbing, even if you're good at it. Today I learned this lesson when I took an 8-foot grounder onto my ass. And it hurt a lot, and it was right on rock. Oh, it did just happen. So I'm kinda figuring out how I wanna get out of here. I think it's gonna take a lot of weed. Just kidding. Oh, my fucking ass. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to climb tomorrow or move. I guess that's just the fucking name of the game. Anywho, let's show you guys what I just fell off. Greasy bastard right here. So there's actually like 8 feet more down in there, full of jagged rocks that I found. With my ass. So I guess the Revo didn't catch me. But I was pretty close to the ground, like 8 feet probably isn't a lot of time, but it was like locked. I think it might have locked, but I hit my ass on like a jagged rock. Yeah, I don't know. The climb wasn't even that hard. It was a 10C. My foot just slipped. Like, I don't know what the fuck I did, but like, just weird. Accidents happen, I guess. And this is why it's good to have people with you when you're in the middle of nowhere. Learn from me, kids. Don't learn it firsthand. It hurts.